Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Enter the efficient world of demolition, where towering structures and buildings are skillfully dismantled. This intricate process employs controlled explosions, wrecking balls, and high-reach excavators, combining precision and power. Skilled professionals strategically weaken and disassemble structures, ensuring safety and minimal environmental impact. From urban renewal to removing obsolete buildings, this synergy of technology and expertise shapes the landscape for new possibilities. If you've experienced demolition firsthand or have thoughts to share, comment below and stay tuned for more innovative construction updates. Delve into the world of efficient sawdust management with the Wagner CHD100 Raking sawdust machine. This specialized equipment takes center stage in the meticulous process of collecting and raking sawdust, showcasing its remarkable precision and productivity. This machine simplifies the management of sawdust, contributing to increased productivity and safety in the workplace. Delve into the intricate world of water treatment, an indispensable process that plays a pivotal role in enhancing the quality of our water supply. This crucial operation seamlessly combines precision and efficiency to effectively eliminate impurities, ensuring a safe and clean water source. From municipal treatment facilities to industrial plants, we gain insight into the intricate techniques and advanced technologies that drive this essential process. This exploration of water treatment not only enhances the well-being of our communities, but also fosters a sustainable and eco-conscious future. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Discover a new way to experience art with the Famer FR250. This innovative technology combines art and technology to elevate gallery experiences. With advanced displays and interactive features, FR250 enhances your connection with the artist's vision. From digital exhibits to immersive installations, it transforms how you engage with art. As galleries evolve into dynamic platforms for expression, Famer FR250 takes the spotlight, amplifying the impact of each masterpiece and shaping the future of art appreciation. Explore the world of soil spraying with the Muijman Groen and Gronder Worken. This intricate process revolves around the precise application of various materials, including nutrients, mulch, or other substances, directly onto soil surfaces. This practice plays a pivotal role in enhancing soil quality, fertility, and structure, ultimately promoting healthy vegetation growth. Muijman Groen and Gronder Worken's expert techniques ensure the efficient and accurate delivery of these materials, contributing to improved land use, sustainable agriculture, and thriving landscapes. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Explore aerial fire extinguishing operations with the Columbia Model 234 and Sikorsky CH-54B Sky Crane. This critical endeavor blends precision and efficiency as these powerful helicopters combat wildfires from the skies. Advanced technology and expert piloting ensure the effective delivery of water or fire retardant to suppress flames and protect communities and ecosystems. From remote wilderness to urban fringes, these aircraft play a pivotal role in firefighting efforts. Explore potato planting with the Standen T2XS and Brettmeister K3. These machines redefine efficiency and precision in agriculture. With advanced features, they ensure seamless potato planting in various conditions. From large farms to small-scale operations, they enhance crop yield and productivity, contributing to agricultural sustainability and growth. These innovative solutions are considered to be the future of potato farming. Have you witnessed the modern planting of potatoes or have insights on agricultural innovation? Comment with your thoughts as we delve into the future of potato farming. Delve into the world of timber pulling, where the formidable Komatsu D275 and Komatsu D85A machines take center stage. These industrial giants redefine efficiency and productivity within the forestry sector. Their advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology facilitate the seamless extraction of timber, revolutionizing logging operations. From dense wooded forests to bustling lumber mills, these equipment combinations are pivotal in optimizing timber extraction processes. Witness firsthand how they contribute to the forestry industry's sustainable resource management and wood product production, powering a vital sector of our economy. Delve into the world of peat extraction, a fascinating process that involves the careful removal of peat from natural landscapes. This operation combines precision and environmental responsibility to harvest this valuable organic material used in horticulture, agriculture, and energy production. From wetlands to peat bogs, peat extraction is an essential industry that requires careful planning and sustainable practices to protect the delicate ecosystems where peat is found. Are you related to agriculture in any way, or have you seen peat extraction technology with your own eyes? Write in the comments below the video, it'll be interesting to read. Explore the fascinating process of launching a vessel at a shipyard, where the EasyMax 2 takes center stage. This complex operation blends precision and engineering expertise to safely send a ship into the water for the first time. From dry docks to waterfronts, this meticulous process ensures that ships are ready to sail. Witness the coordination, technology, and skilled craftsmanship that go into launching a ship, a crucial step in maritime construction that marks the beginning of a vessel's journey on the open seas. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Experience the world of harvesting with the New Holland CR 8.80, where precision and efficiency converge to redefine crop gathering. This advanced harvester seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology and expert engineering to ensure the seamless and productive gathering of crops in various agricultural conditions. From vast fields of wheat to sun-kissed cornfields, the New Holland CR 8.80 plays a pivotal role in advancing agricultural practices and ensuring bountiful harvests. Intrigued by harvesting technology? Share your thoughts below. Welcome to the world of road clearing with the Halp, Rototop, Tilp, and JCB Hydro-Dig machines. These innovative devices modernize roadside maintenance, blending precision and efficiency. Their advanced features ensure thorough cleaning of roadside areas, promoting cleanliness and safety on highways, suburban streets, and beyond. This innovation simplifies roadside upkeep, enhancing the overall aesthetics and functionality of urban and rural landscapes, ensuring cleaner and safer roads for everyone. These revolutionary solutions are the future of road maintenance. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!